We are now standing near Masjid Usbah. And what is the significance of this masjid? When the Prophet ﷺ was in Mecca, he's seen a dream, and we know the Prophet's dream is true. He says, I have been shown the abode of my hijrah, where I will be migrating to. It's a land filled with lava, which is surrounded by palm trees. So in this garden, you can see there's date trees, and also these walls have been built with lava stones. And the masjid also behind has been built with lava stones. What is the significance of this masjid? That when the muhajirin used to come, even before the migration of the Prophet ﷺ, the Muslims used to perform salah here. And the imam was Salim Maula Abu Hudayfa. So Salim Maula Abu Hudayfa, who he was? He was a slave who had been freed. So when Islam came, we know before Islam, prior to Islam, there was all this hierarchy in different tribes and categories. They never used to regard slaves as anything. But when Islam came, they made even a slave an imam, and they eradicated everything, that everyone is equal, every human is equal. This was the place where Sahaba radiallahu anhum used to pray salah. It is also mentioned that the Prophet ﷺ had also prayed salah here. And thereafter, when the Prophet ﷺ established the Masjid of Quba, the Imam of Masjid Quba was the same Imam Salim Maula Abu Hudayfa. The Prophet ﷺ said in one narration that if you want to learn your Quran correctly, then learn from 4 Sahaba. One of them was Salim Maula Abu Hudayfa, Muaz bin Jabal, Abdullah bin Mas'ud, and Ubay ibn Ka'b radiallahu anhum. So we are now here at Masjid al-Usbah. Next to Masjid al-Usbah, there is Bi'r al-Hajim, a very, very old well, is known to be even prior, before the birth of Abdul Muttalib. It has been narrated that even before his time, this well has existed from then.
يا شيخ إسماعيل ما شاء الله مولانا معصوم صاحب
إسماعيل जी
with Arabic ما بين بيتي ومنبري يا شيخ شاهد بن إبراهيم
يلا يلا
पहले 3 शेफ कौन जाएंगे?